Samsung is getting ready to shake up its flagship lineup once again, and this time the biggest surprise may not be the Ultra model. Instead, all eyes are on the brand new Galaxy S27 Pro. Early leaks suggest that Samsung is finally replacing the Plus model with a Pro version, but there's one important detail that many fans may not like. According to the latest information, the Galaxy S27 Pro will not offer the same camera experience as the Galaxy S27 Ultra. Many people were hoping that the Pro would simply be a smaller Ultra, with almost identical features. However, the new leak suggests that Samsung has different plans. The Galaxy S27 Pro is expected to come with lower camera specifications compared to the Ultra. While the exact camera setup has not been revealed yet, the report clearly points towards Samsung creating a noticeable gap between these two premium phones. This means the Galaxy S27 Ultra will continue to be the choice for users who want the absolute best photography experience, while the Pro model will focus on offering flagship performance in a more compact and possibly more affordable package. Interestingly, the Galaxy S27 Pro is said to be closer to the Galaxy S25 Edge rather than a compact version of the Ultra. That could mean Samsung is targeting users who want a sleek and lightweight flagship without paying the highest price or carrying a very large phone. One feature that could still impress buyers is the rumored 200-megapixel main camera. Even if the Pro misses out on some of the Ultra's advanced camera hardware, a high-resolution 200-megapixel sensor can still deliver excellent photos. Thanks to in-sensor cropping technology, Samsung can produce zoomed-in shots without relying entirely on a dedicated 3x telephoto camera. This approach has already shown good results on previous Galaxy devices. But the cameras may not be the only difference. Another rumor suggests that Samsung could use different processors depending on the region. Some markets may receive an Exynos chipset, while others could get one of the upcoming Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 6 variants. There are also reports that Samsung may choose a slightly lower-end version of the Snapdragon chip for the Pro model in certain regions. If these rumors turn out to be true, the Galaxy S27 Pro may not deliver exactly the same level of performance worldwide. Samsung has followed this strategy before, so it wouldn't be a complete surprise. But many users will certainly be watching closely to see which processor arrives in their country. So why is Samsung making these changes? One major reason could be rising production costs. Memory prices, especially DRAM, have increased significantly in recent months. Smartphone companies are now facing higher manufacturing expenses, and Samsung may be looking for ways to keep its product lineup profitable. By giving the Ultra the best cameras and possibly the most powerful chipset, Samsung can clearly separate it from the Pro model. This also creates a price difference between the two devices, making it easier for buyers to choose based on their needs and budget. At the same time, introducing a Pro model could actually be a smart move. The Galaxy Plus series has never been Samsung's strongest seller. Many customers either choose the standard model to save money or go all in with the Ultra for the best features. The new Galaxy S27 Pro could fill the gap perfectly. It may offer premium design, flagship performance, a more comfortable size, and enough high-end features for users who don't want a massive 6.9-inch phone or an S Pen. Of course, these are still early leaks, and Samsung has not officially confirmed any of these details. More information is expected to surface over the coming months as the Galaxy S27 launch gets closer. If these rumors become reality, the Galaxy S27 Pro could become one of Samsung's most interesting flagship phones in years. The biggest question now is whether the reduced camera system will be a deal-breaker or a smart compromise for buyers looking for a premium phone in a smaller package. For more Samsung leaks, smartphone news, and the latest tech updates, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update.